Tired of limp, lifeless strands, puzzled by your hair's lack of length and strength, frustrated with weak, brittle ends? Finally, infinite health, infinite length, infinite results can be yours with Hairfinity. We're more than just hair care. We are devoted to your hair's health. The journey to complete hair health starts with our superstar, Hairfinity Healthy Hair Vitamins. Adored around the world, Hairfinity Hair Vitamins has inspired thousands of before and after testimonial pictures, submitted by actual clients showing their true hair transformation. And the rave reviews go on. We have over 4 million social media fans, and every day, our customers tell us how they love their hair infinitely. Hairfinity Hair Vitamins are for everybody, every texture, every hair type. Featuring our exclusive Kapalsana Complex, our unique formula beautifies, fortifies, and vitalizes hair like never before. Meet the Hairfinity Advanced Hair Care Collection, formulated to improve your hair's outside condition. Each product in the collection is infused with our exclusive Kapalsana Complex. Our healthy hair system also includes free hair care plans customized for you, our innovative Hairfinity mobile app to help you stay committed, and our microscopic hair analysis, which uses high-precision imaging technology to pinpoint the exact cause of your specific hair concerns. Now is the time for your Hairfinity journey. Take the first step today. Download the Hairfinity app available in the App Store and Google Play.